Hi there. Meet Keith. Like many others, Keith is working with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. And just like you, he is missing fields in the data and is not able to do something about it himself. And this shortcoming frustrates Keith every day. Because he wants to be in control of his documents and save time and money by adding fields himself. So Keith decides to look for a solution himself. And finds the Add Fields to Report solution of advanced forms at Quadira. After a short configuration, Keith is capable of adding missing fields on his documents himself. From now on, Keith is able to quickly add fields to his documents with immediate results. Take control of your documents and missing fields and start doing it yourself. For more information, visit Quadira.com.